guys, July 6, 2020. This one I got a call from a customer. I've worked for him before, but not on his AC. He's complaining about the AC's not cooling the house off. Not cooling off as much as it should, or he says he's had it off for like 24 hours, so gotta watch that. They start complaining about the AC's not cooling right, or cool somewhat, and they leave it running, it ices up a lot of times, so you gotta tell them to shut it off. Because if it ices up and the inside coil's all ice, you can't do much about it until it defrosts. But he says he's had it off. I talked to him about it last week, and he thought it might have just been the filters were dirty. He changed the filters, and it's still an issue, so probably a leaker. Oh yeah, next level, y'all. Probably a leaker. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. You a leaker? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Been busy, just working. Working like a little bumblebee. Busy worker bee. I'm just a worker bee. Oh yeah, I'm a worker bee. Just busy working. I'm a busy worker. A busy worker bee. Filters are clean inside and the fan's running, so I'm going to check the charge. What I can tell by looking at it's 410. See the 80, 81, it's low. I need Freon. Gotta get some dinosaur juice for it. Anything below 100 on 410 is an issue. Yeah, that should be around 10. We're gonna give it some gas. Give it some gas. It's actually putting in as a liquid. We'll let the line back. Give it a little going in the suction line with it. I'm gonna meter it in. You don't want to give it too much. Keep an eye on this so it don't start icing on you. Subcooling up. Guarantee that so the heat will start coming down. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Anything below 100 on 410 is an issue. 410A is the third shot in, right? Say 80 pounds. It's going to be 21 degrees. It could freeze. And around 100 PSI is 31 degrees. It's right around freezing. See it? That's why I said anything below 100 is right around below freezing. No good. Give it some juice. Hit this with the hose. Look how dirty it is. Before we can continue. I'm gonna go around and clean it really good. That's going to affect the subcooling big time. I'll go around all four sides and give it a good how you doing. We'll try it again. Gave it a good cleaning all the way around, really good, so I should change that subcooling now. I might have to give it a little bit more, but we'll see. I had to give it some more. Had dye in it. That's what that blue stuff was. That was all somebody put dye in the system trying to find a leak.